Hindi lang sisig ang bida dito sa Pampanga. Dahil kapag sinabi mong halo-halo at palabok o kaya naman pansit-luglug in Kapampangan, automatic kabilang sa mga pangalan na unang pumapasok sa isip mo, Razons. Razons is a staple household name dito sa Pampanga, lalo na kapag usapang pagkain. Pero this outlet na Razons by Glen o RBG, this is the first in Pampanga. It is owned by Glen Razon Carion, isang proud third-generation Razon na tubong Guagua. Alam nyo ba, nagsimula ang Razons noong 1972 sa isang maliit na bayan ng Guagua, Pampanga. Ang tatlong magkakapatid na sina Severina, Elena at Virginia ang nagpasimula ng lahat. At get this, originally, pang family consumption lang daw talaga ang halo-halo at luglug nila. Hindi nila alam na magiging legit icon ito. Dito sa Razons by Glen, ipinagmamalaking tagline nila, simple is powerful. Tatlo lang yung sangkap, makapuno, saging, and leche flan.
Offer na tatlong sangkap yan muna, saging, makapuno, and leche flan. And the recipe has been available since the 90s, 30s, and 40s. Although mix started lang yung Razon 1970s.
Noong 2003, nagbukas si Glen ng kanyang first store sa Tarlac City. At dahil sa vision niya na iangat at i-modernize ang brand, pinaunlad niya ito until lumawak, lumaki at naging kilala nationwide. By 2014, nagsimula na silang mag-franchising at dito na nabuo ang brand na alam natin ngayon, Razons by Glen.
This is officially my first outlet here in Pampanga. Even though I've been in the business for 22 years now, I started 2003, ngayon hindi ko pa mo talaga may ka-chance talaga makapamuklat outlet kay ni Angeles City.
As of today, mayroon ng 45 branches ng RBG o Razons by Glen sa buong Pilipinas.
Aliwaya pa mo rin yung hatak na pag sinabing Kapampangan food. Diba? So once they heard that it's a Kapampangan delicacy, agad lang magtangkilik rin customers mo all around the country.
Still rooted in tradition pero may modern menu, modern look at syempre same classic taste. Razons by Glen isn't just food, it's a tradition of delight. A family restaurant na nagbibigay ng affordable, quality at delicious Kapampangan comfort food.
And we're very excited to share with you our tradition of delight because Razons by Glen is in the business of providing delight.
Kaya kung craving mo ang halo-halo, palabok, Kapampangan favorites, alam mo na kung saan pupunta. Simple ingredients, iconic flavors, and decades of traditions. Kaya kahit saan mapunta, Razons by Glen will always taste like home. This is Patricia Mamangon, on the spot.